Hey guys, it's Ben and we're here today at Nippon Nostalgic underneath the Big Fig in North Bundaberg, and today we're gonna be going and finishing up the paint and panel on the 620 and giving it its final coat. See you inside. While we're here, I'll just talk about the wife for a second. She's been going like faultless, no problems at all, man, since I've played with all that last lot of stuff. I better take my keys out of the door and then we'll go across the road and see what's going on. Alright guys, so here we are with the 620, and as you can see, all the paint and body work is done. I've like surprised you. I couldn't wait and didn't get enough footage of it, so let me show you the 620 now. So as you can see, I've left this guard like pretty original. It's still that faded paint. This is, believe it or not, this is just how the yellow faded, whether it's from the sun or like the farm sprinkler and chemicals or something, I have no idea. Like you can see some down there that hasn't faded where it was under the bumper, but like it is definitely fade, not painted over. It's weird as. So anyway, I've like banged that guard out a bit, and like it'll never be perfect, but it will be roadworthy. I've still got to fix the bottom of that bit. The front here I'm going to leave off. I have a plan for that. We'll come around, have a look at the other side. Oh look, see the bonnet, it's still all ratty, but it's yellow. I'll tell you about my process soon. The other side, I've still got to cut this front bit off. That's going away because it's a bit rusty and I don't want to have to fix that. You can buy them new, but I'm not too worried. That one there, I'll fix that. Then I've got a couple other bits I've got to fix of rust. But yeah, as you can see, she's shiny. She's paint shiny. Oh, look at how shiny the roof is. The roof's full of dents like someone's been, you bastard, I'm your bear. And the oldies were obviously like arguing over the roof a lot, hitting it with their fist and stuff. So I cleaned up all the back. Not as great, but I cleaned it up a little bit. I gotta get some, I don't know, I'm thinking clean the chassis right up maybe and do it in like a red hammer tone. And then black diff, black springs, black tank. But we might go all black yet. So, and I wanna do like a black line across the bottom here, but Mick's saying to do like a matte alpine grey sort of colour. So, but I don't know yet, but that's an option. And then, so we'll come around here and I'll tell you my process. So what I did is I got some 120 grit wet and dry and went and we scuffed back everything except this guard. And once that was all scuffed back, then I went up to the boat shop and we bought this Lenotex Steel Seal. It's kind of, I guess, like Anchor Wax, but just different brand, different name. It says derived from an enhanced low-tack derivative of lanolin wool grease, because lanolin comes from sheep and wool. It kind of smells like a sheep shearing factory if you've ever been near a sheep shearing factory. So anyway, like farmers use this stuff to protect all their farm equipment after they're done using it for the year, and they use it a lot in boats and marine applications, and like I guess a lot of industries probably use it just to protect their equipment and get some more longevity. So yeah, after I'd done the 120 grit, all I've done is just sprayed the crap out of it with the Lenotex stuff, and then just let it sit for half an hour, rubbed it in with a nice soft, clean, dry rag, which was very hard because every time you touch the window rubbers, that's the end of your clean rag. So it took me a little bit of stuff around. I probably got more on the windows than I needed to. The windscreen's coming out, so that doesn't matter. And I guess I'm just gonna have to clean them windows or leave them really foggy, but the roadworthy guy might not like that. So yeah, the 620 is looking awesome. That's like I said, that's most of the paint and panel finish. The only other paint and panel that I have to do and fix now is the rust on the guards, and then maybe add the black stripe down low. And also I want to paint my own like old farm symbol on the back. I'm going to do like a circle with like a leaf or something in the middle, and then have like Integrity Farms underneath, and I'll do it like old school, and then wet sand it back so it looks faded. Go back over it with some Lenotech, and she's going to be the Integrity Farms Datsun 620 Ute. I got a ratty steel tray that I'm going to put on the back. Not steel, it's a ratty aluminium tray actually. I don't want to put a nice flash aluminium tray, it's not going to suit. I found the perfect one that's like, it's going to suit this awesome. Comes with tail lights and the mud guards as well off of the Toyota, but that's all going to fit. So yeah, that's where we're up to on the 620. The next big job I'm going to be putting in the gearbox. I got to make the bumper bar fit, and I'm going to, I'll tell you now, build me an air dam for around the front a bit, and then we can maybe get some lowness down here, and maybe go get some lower arm blocks for in the back, because I think I can just pick them up from Autobarn without having to order them or nothing. I just go get them. They should have them on the shelf hopefully. So yeah, so that is the 620. While we're here, I'm gonna go and show you, we've done Mick's bonnet on his crown in this same Lenotech stuff, and like there's a lot more bare metal on that and everything, so you'll get a good look at how it's come up with the surface rust and bare metal and stuff. So yeah, alright, let's move up there and go have a look. So here is Mick's crown. It's MS something, I can't tell you off the top of my head. So ooh, and you can see like this bonnet was so much more porous than the paint on the 620, so where there's still a lot of that oil sitting on the 620, it's all kind of soaked right into this already, and it needs more. This is going to take a thicker coat to do this, but it will bring out the same effect. You can see the difference already between that and like that. There's a, you know, it's just giving you that surface that you can clean. Now you can't power wash this stuff off. You have to like wash it off with citric acid, or like there are other products that are designed to wash this stuff off. So like it should give it a hard wearing surface that we can clean and not have to worry about it rusting out again, well, for a bit. And if it does, we just got to go buy more Lenotech and spray it on there. So yeah. So yeah guys, that's where I'm at with the 620. That's where the crown is at. It starts and idles everything beautifully, the crown. It really only needs a handful of little things in the tyres, man, and we can start cleaning her up for the road. And yeah, if Mick gets rid of a couple of long-term projects for customers that he's been working on, this thing is not going to take long. So, and like as you can see, there's a few cars hanging around here. Mick's been pretty busy, and yeah, so please like, please subscribe. The more subscribers, the more videos. I'm trying to pump them out. I'm trying to get stuff done, but it's hard, you know, life's there and it gets in the way and stuff. So like, yeah, do me a favor, at least like and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye. Alright, it's kebab time, and then we're going home, edit you a video.